Okay. Namaskar, good evening. Here is an announcement regarding Telangana CLP. Yesterday, Congress Legislative Party had a meeting in Hyderabad to decide the newly CLP leader, Mr. D.K. Sikumar, Manikrao Thakreji, Dibadas Munshiji, K. Muralidharanji, K.J. George and Chachoy Kumar. These observers attended the meeting. CLP meeting took 2-3 resolutions. Number 1, thanking the people of Telangana for giving a massive victory for Congress party. Number 2, thanking the leadership, including Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, CPP Chairperson Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, and former Congress President Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi for extensively campaigning in Telangana. Then they unanimously entrusted the decision of CLP to the Honorable Congress President. Today noon, Mr. D.K. Sikumar and Manikrao Thakreji has given detailed report on their observation about the CLP meeting. After considering this report and with the discussion with the senior leadership, Honorable Congress President decided to go with Revanth Reddy, our PCC President, as the new CLP of Telangana Legislative Party. Revanth Reddy is working as the PCC President, a dynamic leader who campaigned in this election extensively with other senior leaders, like Uttam Bhatti ji and all other senior leaders. We already given promise to the people of Telangana with the guarantees. We are very sure, AICC is very sure that the first and foremost priority of this government, the new government, is to fulfill the aspirations of the people of Telangana and especially the guarantees which we given to the people of Telangana. This is going to be a clear-cut, clean and very energetic and able government which is going to provide maximum governance to the people of Telangana. I'm thanking all the leaders, all the observers who went there, who worked there, and especially Mr. Shivakumar and his team of observers for doing the exercise in a beautiful manner. That's all.
You accounted the seniors?
Yeah? No, that now whatever we want to announce, I already announced. The swearing will be happen day after tomorrow, 7th. No, that entire details we will let you inform. We will inform you later.
How you are going to recognize the other senior leaders like
That you can see that we will recognize all the senior leaders. This is going to be a team. This is not going to be a one-man show. This is going to be a team. Congress will go with a team. Okay. Everything you will be informed properly. Brother, whatever I want to say, I already told. Rest of the things leave for tomorrow also. Okay?